Continuing professional development is the key to success in any field, and English language teaching is no exception. I have been in this field for more than 2 decades now. I have attended and even organized several ELT events, seminars and conferences. I have also presented my views on national and international platforms. Well, English Language Teaching Institute of Symbiosis, Pune, has been successfully organizing national conferences for the past decade now on various aspects of English language teaching. They attract select ELT practitioners from across the country. You might ask, why to attend a conference? Well, sometimes you have an idea and you just want to toss it around. Sometimes you have performed some experiment and you want to share your result with other colleagues. Sometimes you just want an audience that listens to you critically, but at the same time sympathetically. At ELTIS, you will find such an audience. There will be different kinds of activities. Apart from paper presentations, you will have plenary sessions by experts, workshops, roundtable discussion, and so on. An ELTIS conference is also a very good platform for professional networking, which is the key to professional and personal development. I strongly recommend ELTIS conferences to you. Once you attend the conference, I am sure you will look forward to February every year. Thank you very much.